Hi guys!
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mary Jane. Come along with me as I transform my kid sister from this to that. And today's video will be about how to cornrow on short 4C natural hair. All I'm going to be using for this tutorial is a leave-in conditioner, shea butter, and a spray bottle. So the first thing I did was to moisturize and detangle the hair with the leave-in conditioner and the shea butter. After that, I parted the hair into 4 equal parts for easy navigation of the style I wanted to make. So I started with one part of the hair because that is the easiest method for this style of cornrow. I actually thought picking her edges would be so difficult because the previous stylist that made her hair so tight that it destroyed her edges. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So this is the final result of the front part. I was even surprised she did not cry. Now over to the back. So I had to spray the hair with water because she has a strong 4C hair, so it's already like dried and very strong. So I had to make it wet for easy navigation. So guys, if you have a very strong 4C hair, please don't yank it with comb. Just like pour it water. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use your hand. Pour it water, or you apply leave-in conditioner, a water-based leave-in conditioner, so that you can easily comb the hair without losing a lot of hairs. Guys, this is the final result for the back, and I'm going to use a go-to-be edge control to lay her edges. I was fighting to lay this girl's edges because those edges were not baby hairs, those things were adult hairs. Anyways, this is the final result, and I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, my baby girl likes her hair, and thank you for coming so far. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe again. No, if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Yeah, bye.